This 5-minute solution will show you how to make password protect PDF on PC or laptop. So now I will show you very easiest method to protect your PDF with a password without downloading any third-party software. So the first thing you have to do is open your browser and type here password protect PDF online, and here you will get lots of website where you can easily protect your PDF file. So right now we will use the Adobe website. So open the first website and now click on select a file. Now all you have to need is just select the PDF which one you want to lock and upload the PDF file here. Now set a password here, confirm the password. Once you add date password, click on set password, and it may take some time to protect the PDF. Once it's completed, click on download and the PDF file will be downloaded. Now I'm gonna opening my file manager to show you the final result. Opening the download folder, and here is the PDF I just protected with a password. Now let's try to open this PDF. As you can see, it's asking for the password. So this is how we can protect a PDF file. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.